بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. سيجري وجري غلغاي سيوسف مصطفى داروش كانتو ستيب يولو غلغاي بوسو خسخيت وخلين غلغاية أستين هدينتون. And I will try to speak in Arabic and in English. I am Yusuf Mustafa Darwish from Jordan. My roots are from Ghalghai. I am from Yawlo. We feel pity what happened to Ghalghai in the past, in 1992, and what Assatin did to them. And we were not happy how they took their lands and they took their houses. They burned their houses. They killed some of precious men, which is not acceptable in any religion or in any civilization. And inshallah, all Ghalghai rights will come back again. And I wish Ghalghai everywhere to live in peace and in happiness, and inshallah all Ghalghai around the world will be happy and be strong and to be united with Ingushita, which is the heart of Daymukh